Xtrutech has established itself as a centre of excellence for all twin-screw extruder requirements. Since it was formed in 2002, Graham Edwards and Richard Johnson have continued to develop the organisation. From its roots as a part supplier, Xtrutech can today boast a knowledge and expertise to rival any of the OEM supplier organisations. With a strong presence in Europe and the Americas already, Xtrutech is now expanding its coverage into Asia. The cornerstone of Xtrutech's development has been its focus on technical expertise. It now supplies a wide range of screw elements for APV, Baker Perkins, Caperion, Prism, OMC, and many other smaller OEMs. All these elements have been carefully developed to give the precise geometry to maximize machine performance. In many cases, these profiles are superior, and when coupled with the correct choice of materials of construction, these parts can far outperform those of the original equipment manufacturer. Xtrutech's ability is not just limited to accurately engineered components, but with its team of highly qualified process engineers, they are able to offer machine and process developments to improve existing products or to assist with the introduction of new products. Having worked hard to understand their customers' needs and challenges, Xtrutech have now taken that knowledge to develop and build their own range of twin-screw extruders. Xtrutech have their in-house manufacturing facility close to the original Baker Perkins factory in Stoke-on-Trent, England, giving access to industry-trained machine operators who, with state-of-the-art technology and machinery, produce parts of the highest quality. Screw elements and liners are made from a range of materials from general purpose through hardened D2 to PM tool steels like CPM9 and 10V. The XTS range of powder coating extruders has been developed by Xtrutech based on their intimate knowledge and experience of designing, building and running twin-screw extruders for the powder coating and thermoplastic compounding industries. Xtrutech have assimilated the high-volume clamshell geometry from the APV MPPC machine, coupled with the robustness and reliability of the W&P ZSK series to produce the optimum machine for processing powder coatings in the most efficient and economic way. The XTS has been designed with a wide range of processing capabilities and is supplied with two sets of screw profiles, one heavy-duty mixing set and one light-duty mixing set for fines and textured-type products. Thermosetting resins used in powder coatings include epoxy to give smooth finishes and good adhesion, polyester for general performance work, and epoxy-polyester hybrids with similar or improved properties to epoxy resin. Acrylics are used for surface coating applications, and polyurethanes provide good all-round physical and chemical properties, each resin having its own processing temperature and mixing requirements. Applications range from decorative and functional to architectural, automotive and white goods or appliances. Types of finishes required also impact on the processing capabilities of the mixer extruder, such as film thickness, high gloss or matte finishes, textured or leatherettes and clear coats. The reprocessing of fines was also considered to be very important by Xtrutech when designing the XTS range. Xtrutech is using an industry-proven gearbox from PIV to ensure reliability of high-torque transmission. This particular gearbox range is commonly used in the plastics processing industry, where much higher processing powers and speeds are required. The lubrication system is mounted on the rear side of the gearbox at an ergonomic working height for good access and means less maintenance overall. Robust high-duty torque limiter coupling, designed using the modular principle from AutoGuard, protects the gearbox and processing unit, including the shafts, screw elements and liners, from high and low-speed breakages, which would otherwise be very costly. The stuffing box has been incorporated into the barrel and opens with the top barrel half to expose the quick release and positive locking shaft couplings. This makes the removal of the shafts that much easier and simpler. The traditional gland packing and followers have been replaced with oil-impregnated split bushes that prevent fine feed powders from ingression into the shaft coupling area and eliminate the need for maintenance. The new barrel has been designed with single-piece robust backing blocks that eliminate cracked barrel parts, which are common on older APV machinery. Fewer clamping bolts save barrel opening times and offer quick access to the screws when cleaning or during maintenance. The barrel is also fitted with a split-chilled discharge arrangement that also improves the barrel opening time. Temperature control of the product is achieved through optimizing the screw profile and highly efficient water cooling in the barrel backing blocks. A combination of wear-resistant steels and strategically designed lengths of insert-type liners maximize the wear life of the XTS barrel and minimize future replacement costs. The Xtrutech barrel design incorporates highly efficient cooling channels, and Xtrutech have replaced the older cartridge-style heaters with cast aluminium bronze heater plates that can be easily changed in situ. These heaters reduce localized hotspots and give overall improved temperature control. A specially designed feed port coupled with twin-lead high-intake pusher feed screws helps improve the intake of bulky powders that are normally difficult to feed. This makes the new barrel more efficient and improves performance in terms of output. The high torque on the XTS range is transmitted to the screw elements via the screw shafts that have a 24-tooth spline for extra strength and helps with the removal of the screw elements. The HMI touchscreen control panel has been designed for simplicity in operation. Each stage in the startup shutdown sequence can be easily mastered. A choice of either Siemens or Allen Bradley PLC is available as standard. The Xtrutech range of twin-screw extruders has options for 18 or 24 LD clamshell barrels with top or side feeding and standard screw speeds of 900 RPM, with options up to 1200 RPM. Nominal sizes and outputs at 900 RPM. XTS 24 for lab and small batch work up to 100 kilograms per hour. XTS 40 for small to medium batch work for 500 to 600 kilograms per hour. XTS 56 for medium to large batch work for 1,000 to 1,300 kilograms per hour. Xtrutech offer process optimization for any make or model of powder coating twin screw extruder, including advice on screw profiles, improving intake into the extruder, mixing sections, barrel temperatures, top and side feeding solutions to improve the processing of fines, and low bulk density formulations. Xtrutech manufacture and supply screw elements and shafts for most major makes and sizes of twin screw extruder, from 16 mm up to 160 mm in diameter. Xtrutech use a range of materials of construction to combat adhesive wear, abrasive wear and corrosion, or more often a combination of all three. Materials are chosen from nitrided steels through hardened steel and HIP powder metallurgy that maximize performance against cost. The most expensive is not always the best, and with Xtrutech you can be sure that you'll get the best value option. The Xtrutech barrel could be manufactured with a full clamshell and will fit almost any Baker Perkins, B&P or APV powder coating extruders from 40 mm up to 125 mm. The half clamshell design will fit a W&P or older OMC fixed solid barrel style powder coating extruder should a customer wish to take advantage of the clamshell style barrel. Xtrutech can even convert your low free volume machine to a mega volume machine. Xtrutech offer gearbox overhauls for Highgate, David Brown, Eisenbeiser, PIV and Flender gearboxes. Optical alignment of existing equipment and machine inspections can be carried out on most makes of twin screw extruder, either at the customer's site or in the Xtrutech workshop. Xtrutech offer a partial or full overhaul and rebuild service in their fully equipped assembly workshop based in Stoke-on-Trent in the UK. Refurbishing or upgrading an older extruder can be a more cost-effective alternative to buying a new one. Preventative maintenance contracts from Xtrutech will help to avoid downtime through regular on-site machine inspections and planned maintenance routines. Xtrutech's attractive rates make this a real alternative. They can even help you develop your machine so that it's more reliable and less prone to breakdown. For more details on the XTS 24mm, 40mm or 56mm twin screw extruder, or to talk to an engineer about your spare parts or service requirements, send an email or pick up the phone and call Xtrutech today.